写信告诉我今天海是什么颜色，夜夜陪着你的海，心情又如何？灰色是不想说，蓝色是忧郁，而漂泊的你，狂浪的心停在哪里？
大家好，我是医生何敏，我现在正在中国湖南省中方红十字国际医院的203房间。在这间房住的是一对来自尼日利亚的老夫妻，这位是妻子哈瓦，今年64岁。现在借由他介绍一下他入院的情况。
Hello everybody, now we are in Zhongfang Red Cross International Hospital in China. And this is Dr. Jasmine, and this is the patient couple in our hospital in room 203. This is Hawa, the wife, and this is Mustafa, the husband. And at first, the Dr. Jasmine would like Hawa to introduce her situation before she came to our hospital.
Well, as of all, we came to this hospital introduced through a friend in Nigeria, Kano. And we invited him to come and look at our son, who was very sick. He was suffering from lupus, and later on the lupus disease, attacked his kidney, and the kidney was to be removed. We wanted to bring him abroad. They suggested India and something, but when we got a doctor friend who was practicing Chinese medicine, he told us that we should come to China, this hospital, Zhongfang Red International Hospital, to be, when he came, they will not remove his kidney, they will reactivate his kidney. But when we were preparing to come to Zhongfang, he unfortunately died. And, but my wife was also suffering from heart disease, palpitation, short breath, and pains in her legs and her hands. So I decided, but my child has died, so I decided all the same to come to Zhongfang, so that because of my wife's problem. But me too, I have a problem of diabetes, which started about 12 years ago. But the diabetes affected the pains in my legs, my back, and prostate. I'm not able to urine properly, it's dropping. And I have also high blood pressure. So when we came here, they told us that they can be able to treat us, but we have to stay for a long time. But we decided to stay for 1 month. We said 3 months. But fortunately for us, the treatment has been very rigorous, and we are getting better every day. And my wife's palpitation has gone, and legs pains have also gone, remaining very a little. We have only 7 days or 5 days to go home, but we feel a lot better. We'll definitely recommend that people who want to Chinese treatment, which is mainly traditional, they should come to China, particularly this hospital. They are attending to us very well. They are taking our temperatures almost every 4 hours, and they are giving us medicine. They don't give chemical medicine. Their own medicine is traditional herb medicine, which is making people to be all right. And we appreciated everything that has been done to us. And we recommend that anybody wishing to have a very good process of healing, not by chemical medicine, you should come to this area. I had, when I came 12 years ago, I have diabetes. I cannot walk because of my pains on my leg. I have blood pressure. I have headache, but everything is good. And dry mouth and prostate, everything is good. And she too, she has short breast, palpitation. She has pains on her legs, like what I have. And she has also a lot of high pressure. But things are really going very well. If you want a healing process with proper attention, what they do is massaging, acupuncture, examination, and they give you medicine that will heal you. The process may be long, but it's the best way because it will heal you completely. Thank you.
刚才这位老先生呢介绍了他来我们医院的经过是由一位在尼日利亚的朋友介绍我们医院，特别是医院的中医，所以他呢就在2个月前就准备到我们医院来。经过跟我们医院的这些联系，他本来是想带他儿子一起过来的，但是他儿子是因为红斑狼疮症，然后在来之前呢就不幸就过身了。现在呢，他们两夫妻和他们的女儿一起在我们医院就医。然后这位老先生还介绍了12年前呢，他有糖尿病、高血压、头痛，以及身体各关节以及肌肉的疼痛等症状。然后他刚才也介绍了，来之前呢有这些各方面的病痛，来之后呢，经过我们中医的治疗，到现在为止大概有40来天的中医治疗，通过按摩、针灸以及中药的治疗，现在呢他们已经得到一个很好的好转。在来之前呢，这位老先生刚才说了，除了前面说过的一些等症状，还有一些像前列腺增大以及夜尿频多这样子的，最主要是他的痛症。然后呢，这位老先生刚才也介绍了，他推荐世界各地的病友来我们医院进行中医治疗，特别是这家医院，因为我们虽然不提供西医方面的治疗，但是中医方面呢，即使是时间花的比较长一些，但是中医的治疗更彻底，治标又治本。
现在我们有请哈瓦女士，介绍一下有没有什么其他的改善的一些症状、好转的情况。
And now we would like Miss Hawa to introduce is there anything that she gained improvement besides what her husband just talked about.
Before you come, you have the leg and headache and mouth and dry mouth and the perforation and the back. I have a backache. Now it don't reduce. Everything don't go. No leg, no dry mouth, no preparation. It's don't go now.
哈瓦女士刚才提到了，在来之前呢，她有腿痛等症，而且背部也有疼痛，然后还有一些口干以及口腔溃疡等症。然后现在呢，她的最大的感受就是这些疼痛和口腔疾病已经完全没有了。
Actually, I explained that I came here because of a problem.
Yes.
If not for me, I had diabetes for 12 years, and I'm very old. I don't need, but I'm worried about her palpitation. Whenever she climbs, we have rooms like that, upstairs. And whenever she climbs, she has palpitation. So I'm worried. With so many people at home, when they have that, they die quickly. And this is why I came. And I wanted to come with my son, but my son died. But because she has this palpitation, pains on the leg, on the back, dry mouth, dizziness, and high blood pressure. That's why I came. For me, I have the same thing, but my own has been long, for 12 years. But thank God, and now when I came, she's all right, I'm all right. So we thank God, we thank Zhongfang Red International Hospital. Okay?
Thank you.
Mustafa 先生刚才介绍了，他来我们医院主要目的是为了他的妻子。他的妻子呢，长期遭受高血压和糖尿病的困扰，但是呢，他的妻子在家里面稍有台阶锻炼的时候，就会有胸闷、气短等症。然后Mustafa先生很担心妻子的病情，所以他来到了我们医院。但是谢天谢地，也感谢我们医院，他们两个人的症状都得到了很好的好转，所以他在此对我们医院表示了衷心的感谢。
辛苦两位了，谢谢你们对我们的工作的支持。
Thank you for your support.
谢谢，他不用谢。
因为有瞬间阴霾，阳光才更灿烂。因为寒冬，春天才会暖。因为你眉头才放宽。因为我跌倒了有人搀。因为所有的付出总会得到偿还。因为我们笑着过难关。